With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, why does dry HCl gas does not change the color of the dry litmus paper? Okay. So, for example, in any reaction, now you can consider a test tube also wherever this reaction is taking place. So, suppose some reaction has taken place and it has led to the evolution of a gas, and this gas which is evolving is actually dry HCl, right? For example, this is happening. Now, what do? You bring a strip of litmus paper, a dry litmus paper onto it, right? You bring a strip of dry litmus paper near the test tube wherever this gas is evolving, and you notice that no color change takes place. Now that happens because this is a dry litmus paper. When you bring a dry litmus paper near the mouth of the test tube, wherever this dry HCl gas is liberating, it cannot dissociate into H plus ions, right? It cannot dissociate into H plus ions. H plus ions are not going to be formed because for H plus ions to form, HCl has to dissociate, and HCl can dissociate only if it gets moisture, right? So basically, if you take a moist litmus paper, right? If you take a moist litmus paper, what happens is that this HCl is going to dissociate to give H plus and Cl minus, and this H plus will be responsible for the color change. Right, this litmus will be responsible for the color change, and it is going to change the color of the blue litmus paper to red, right? But in this case, H plus ions are not dissociated. HCl is not dissociated to give H plus ions. So as there are no H plus ions, there is going to be no color change of the litmus. No color change of the litmus. So whichever litmus paper you have, it is going to remain as it is because it needs moisture to change the color, and that moisture gives out H plus ions, and that H plus ions is responsible for the acidic nature of acids, right? So that H plus is responsible for the color change that changes the blue litmus to red. So moisture is very, very important. The litmus paper that you're bringing near the test tube, wherever this gas is liberating, it has to be moist, it has to be wet, right? That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.